Sometimes it feels like your dua is just echoing in silence. You keep asking, but nothing seems to change. You start to wonder, is Allah even listening? But here's the truth. Your dua is not being ignored. It's being heard, cherished, and recorded. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Your Lord is generous and shy. If his servant raises his hands to him, he is shy to return them empty." That means every time you raise your hands, Allah is closer than you think. There are moments when your dua is answered immediately, and other times Allah delays it, not to punish you, but because He knows the perfect time. Maybe what you're asking for isn't ready for you, or maybe you're not ready for it. Allah doesn't say no to your dua. He either gives you something better, removes a hardship, or delays the gift until the right time. We often treat dua like a transaction. We ask, and we want instant results. But dua is a relationship. It's how you connect your heart to your Creator. Every dua is an act of worship. Even if you don't see the answer, you've still gained something beautiful, closeness to Allah. So don't stop. Keep making dua. Cry if you need to. Whisper your pain. Raise your hands in the quiet of the night, because the one you're speaking to is Al-Mujib, the one who responds, and He never lets a sincere call go unanswered. Your dua is closer to being answered than you think.